welcome everyone. This is a short video that will be analyzing the next statement. The role of ICT in English language teaching and learning. We talk about definitions, characteristics, what is the relation between both concepts, cases, and applications. First of all, we consider it's important to start to define the concepts that there are. What is ICT? It means Information and Communication Technology. It refers to the forms of technology that are used to transmit, to process, to store, creating, to display, sharing, or exchanging information by electronic ways. Now, to what refers English Language Teaching and Learning, or ELT, refers to the file of instruction and acquisition of the English language. It compounds by teaching. This involves the methods, techniques, materials used to instruct students in English as a second language or foreign language. And learning, this refers to the process by which individuals acquire the English language. It includes developing skills in writing, listening, speaking, reading, and grammar.
Okay guys, now I want to explain you more about the relation between the ICT tool with the English learning skills. First, it's important that now that ICT tool is a super and interactive way, because it's accessibility to people to learn different languages. In this case, and also we can find in a lot of spaces. For example, in our classroom we can find a lot of tools like a TV, like a interactive whiteboard, like maybe with educational software, multimedia presentation, and all the resources that we can find currently in a lot of websites. And also is with the self-study context, we can find a lot of apps to learn English or to practice the pronunciation or the listening or the reading or the writing, taking into account a lot of topics. And also I think that is the most important part is the practice the fluency with the pronunciation, and for that reason we can find a lot of English communities to practice our English.
Hello everyone, my name is Sofia and I'm going to talk about how to use ICT tools in a classroom. First up, we have different apps such as Tandem and Hello Talk that the students can use to practice their English skills with native people. Also, we have language learning apps such as Duolingo and Boost. Those apps help students to improve their autonomous work. But if we want to teach about art and culture, we can use apps such as Google Arts and Culture or other app that is called Art History. And if we can make an assessment, a warm-up, or review vocabulary from a class, we can use Quizlet, Kahoot, and Nearpod. And if we need to review for know what are the notes of students, we can make a portfolio. And portfolio can be made so that students can use apps like Genially, Canva, or PowerPoint. But if we want to make a challenge, a language challenge, they can use TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram. Different apps from social media that we can get involved students in the class. But if we want to make a writing workshop, they can use Google Document and Grammarly. And if we wanna make a, but if the idea is that they can listen a video or a podcast, they can use Spotify and YouTube. But if they have to record an audio, they can use Buckaroo or other apps such as Spotify too.